find the shaded area. Let's draw the line between the 2 points at the center of a circle, which has 14 units, and let the length of the square be x. Thus, the area of the square is x squared. Since x squared plus x squared is equal to 14 squared, Pythagoras' theorem, we have In order to find the desired region area, we have to find the area of a sector, which is given by To get the area of the region inside the square that is not covered by the 2 quarter circles, subtract the combined sector areas from the area of the square.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.